What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jake to the We at it again. We fixed to do another beat. We're doing a little something different. I got like a little lapel mic, so I know my voice probably sound like boo boo right now, but that's okay. We doing something different. Why not, man? I'm doing a beat every day. Shoot, we doing something different today. So let's dive right into it. I think today I'm gonna use I'm just gonna use the old trusted mouse. We're gonna use the old mouse, and we're going to use samples from presonus Studio One artist. So let's dive right into it, see what we can come up with. Okay, so we in loops. Let's do hip hop. What is brass loops? Let's see what that's about. Ooh, I like that. Let's use that. We at 120 tempo. Let's see if this shit lined up. Yeah. That's fine. Oop, that don't go right. Let's move up to some bells. Trying to find a key. Let's see what these sound like. Smooth that. Hey. Ooh, I like that. Okay, so we're gonna go with that, and then let's find a kick. I like that one. That's different. On a hat. I like that. Kind of like that too. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but let's add it. Excuse me. All right, so we got that. Find a snare. Like it. What is this one shot? Ooh, got claps too. I'm gonna put that in there for now. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for though. We got some more stuff. All right, let's see what we can do with that real quick before we do anything else. So it's probably a better way to do this, but we're gonna drag this out to like that. Let's get that one out. Let's get that one out. Let's get that one out. Get rid of this mix. Let's get that one out. So now we are going to, I think this is the hi-hat. Squash. Let's try this one. Yep, that's it. So then we're gonna come over here. Yeah, and just duplicate that out. Let's do that like that. Highlight the. Okay, let's come over here to snare. This is how you do a quick, nasty beat if you just getting started making beats and you don't even know where to start. Just take these loops that come off the software. It ain't gotta be, if you can flow, then it don't even matter, man. You can make yourself a hit. See, hey. Then we're gonna come back over here. What was this at? And duplicate that. Hey. I think we already got a hit, cuz. I don't like that, though. So what is this right here now? I don't like that. I don't think that's gold. I feel like I'm forcing it if I leave that. Yeah, we got this so far. Let's extend that out. Ooh, I'm feeling that. We're gonna see if we can change this key. Ooh, we're gonna leave it just like that. But we just starting because I got everything turned up so loud. So let's kind of mix this a little bit. We're gonna move these down to like right there. Smooth this 808 up. All right, so now let's crank it up. Let's go ahead and loop this so I can keep starting over. Ooh. Four minutes. Let's throw this one in there. Need all of that. I feel like this is probably distorted. Hey. I came around looking like a thug. I'm a thugged out haters. Everybody tricking. I'm a thugged out hater. Everybody tricking. I'm a thugged out hater. So we're gonna turn this out. It's gonna be real quick. We're gonna do this like this. And we're gonna take this out in the verse. 4. Take some hi-hats out. Let's chop it. Let's duplicate this out. Hey, oh, let's turn that loop off. Yeah. And then we're gonna do this right here though. Let's take this brass out. kind of like that. Let's take this back and bring this back like right here. And then we'll just finish this out with like a 1-2, like a 1-2 stepper. Let's take that, let's bring it right here. Then we'll end that like that. And we got a whole beat. This is like one of the quickest ones, 11 minutes. Let's get it like a little, see what that. Hey, got a pocket full of money. Yeah. I got a pocket full of money. Chain with the gang, know why. Chain with the gang, know why. Hit a nigga off in his eye. Hit him off in the eye. Chain with the gang, I don't know what I'm saying, but we got a beat. Let's hit that 808 up a little bit more. Hey, chain with the gang, know why. Boom, this your boy. Y'all let me know what you think about this beat in the comments. This your boy, J to the R, and you have been watching Recording Studio Tutorials. Peace.